Although personal protective equipment is nothing new to the body shop world, COVID-19 has reminded us all of its importance. These days, the heightened sense of self-protection can be leveraged to reinforce the importance of PPE in the body shop. First, let's talk about paint suits. Everyone painting in the booth should be protecting themselves with a paint suit. Even the guy priming vehicles should be wearing a suit. A paint suit isn't just for a cleaner job, it protects the painter. Face masks. Everyone in the shop should be at the minimum wearing a dust mask while sanding prepping operations are going on. Even with dust extraction systems in some shops, it is a good practice to use respiratory protection anytime in the shop. Eye protection. Some of us are wearing safety glasses or corrective glasses, which assist in shielding our eyes from foreign matter. Goggles and face shields are even more effective. Everyone in the shop should have eye protection on, and anyone spraying any product containing isocyanates should have either a tight-fitting full face mask or a positive pressure hood, as isocyanates have an affinity for moisture and can enter the body through the eyes. Gloves. Everyone engaged in mixing or applying the product in the shop, along with cleanup activities, should be gloved up. Additionally, anyone handling or driving cars in the shop should be wearing gloves. Hearing protection. Everyone in the shop should be wearing hearing protection, as it is the #1 injury in every shop, and it goes unreported due to its cumulative nature. An additional new line item to be added to the estimate these days is sanitized vehicle. As long as everyone is wearing their gloves when inside vehicles and moving them, then no contamination to or from the driver or vehicle is realized after the initial sanitizing. It's probably prudent to perform a post-detail sanitization as well. I'm Jason STAHL. Thanks for watching.